Tried something different today instead of just piecing in metal. Let me sit down. Hey guys, welcome back. Last night, I think I checked about 10 o'clock or so, and we hit 500 subscribers. I still can't believe it. Like I said before, I didn't imagine I'd get any more than a handful of people, but it's kind of mind-blowing, to be honest with you. Just want to say thank you for everybody that has subscribed. Subscribe from day one or just now. It does mean a lot that y'all decide to come and hang out with me while I mess around on the Bronco. Still got a lot to do on it, but I can use all the help I can get. So thank you again. We'll keep hammering down and see where this channel goes. But like I said before, channel is not going to be just Bronco only, even though I like to have a couple of them. Once you get the Bronco done, probably move to the International back behind me. Then there's the Healy back behind it, and a 78 Camaro that I really need to start working on. The drivetrain is good, it's the body's bad, so to speak. But we'll get to that eventually. Like I said, we got a little money in parts. We're gonna probably just throw into the Bronco. I'm wanting to get it done quick. I mean, I like to enjoy it. Yeah, just thank you again for sticking with me and helping me. It does mean a lot. So on that note, I think Monday at 7 p.m. I'm gonna try to do the live stream from the garage, kind of celebrate hitting 500. Hopefully I can get my hat made today in a sticker pack, and I'll kind of show you those. We'll try to do the same type of drawing I did. To enter to win the hat and sticker pack, comment below in this video 500, and we'll leave it open till we start the live feed on Monday, and then we'll cut it off then and have a little celebration and have a drawing. Kind of do it the same way, where I'll use a randomizer to pick a random comment, and I forgot how I did it, but I believe I had the commenter email me, and then I'll email them back a secret phrase, something just completely random, and they'll have to put that in the comments of that video as well, so I know it's them. Type of verification process. Anyways, we'll do that Monday. Like I said, I need to get the hat done and made. But anyways, just want to say thank you again. It's just mind-blowing. But back to the Bronco stuff today. We're probably going to get back on this. I'm probably going to leave it on the actual Bronco. I'm going to try my hardest to kind of use this piece best I can to fill in that space. I hate just cutting little sections out and welding and having stitches across. So I may cut this section out and see if we can't get that set today. And if we get that done pretty quick, then we'll move on to the bottom part. We'll do the finish grind and everything next time. But yeah, like normal, I don't got very much time out here. Come out here before work. I need to come out here either early mornings or at night again, but kind of like my evenings. But anyways, we'll get it eventually. But let's set you up and we'll get this kind of started, and hopefully get the top section welded in and go from there. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Camera died, so I don't know where I got to, but tried something different today instead of just piecing in metal. Let me sit down. Basically, just try to lay in the metal from this side and get it flush. Then come in and cut the other side to fit. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but it didn't work quite the way I wanted. Looks pretty bad. Have a bunch of holes to fill in. I am gonna probably weld this off of the kick panel because you can see here it's kind of pushing that out, and that needs to be more flat. So I'll take it off and finish it on the bench. Yeah, it's not great, but this won't be seen, so as long as it's sturdy, we can put a skim coat of Bondo something over it and make it look nice. But yeah, that's all I did today. Just that little bit. We'll either continue on next time, or if the shims come in, we'll start on the driver's side door again. Like I said, we're just waiting, killing time basically till those come in. But if you want to, join me Monday, 7 o'clock Central Time. We'll be live here in the garage, kind of celebrating 500, doing a giveaway. Probably won't be working on the Bronco that much, just because I gotta set the camera up and leave it. But y'all can ask me questions, give me ideas, tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing right. Just have a good time. But anyways, yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, please come back. Thank you again to all my subscribers. It does mean a lot. And here's to 500 more. But anyways, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I know it's a bunch of just welding and grinding, kind of boring stuff, but stuff that has to get done. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.